I've just tied my wrists together with ½ metre of green string, and I got Rob to do the same.
Well, I'm not quite sure why. What am I supposed to do with this, Deane?
Well, they're not handcuffs. It's part of a puzzle. Green string and a white ring. Rob, here's the puzzle. You have to get that white plastic ring onto the green string somehow or other. How are you going to do
well, it's too small to go over my hand.
it? It certainly is.
Can I untie the string?
No, you can't untie
Can't cut it? It won't come off
it.
either
It
wrist.
certainly won't. Not the way we've tied them.
It would seem to be impossible.
It seems to be impossible, but it's not. It can be done. Rob, follow me.
Right.
Start with a loop from the centre of your string and pass that through the centre of the plastic ring. Then take that loop and put it over your left hand and take it right down, down, down below the loop that was already around your left wrist. Now, here's the tricky part. Grab hold of that piece of string that came down over your hand and now bring it up underneath the loop around your wrist and over your fingers. Now, it all feels a bit messy at this stage, and you might say, what on earth is this going to achieve?
What on earth is this going to achieve?
You might well ask, Rob, because you get it around to the other side of your wrist and it's a mess. But when you pull your wrists apart, look what happens. You find, lo and behold, that the string now does go through the ring. Not only is the ring on the string, but it's tied securely in place with a sort of a knot.
Mine too.
Isn't that amazing? And that's all for today's Curiosity Show.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Curiosity.